What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your B8 Audi A4 into neutral if the battery is dead and you need to move it either for a tow truck or just move it around to get it out of the spot where it's at. Now this is assuming that your doors are unlocked. If your doors are unlocked and the battery's dead, or you lost your keys or whatever, this is how you would put it neutral. So you have the console right here, right? So the thing is, if you pop, you see this ashtray right here, that coin tray, whatever, you pop that out and get into here. Once you're in here, there should be a small tab. This is usually inside flush, but I've removed this before. So you pop this out with a flathead. Got that right here. Pop that out, take that out, right? Now that that's out, if you look closely inside there, see this little circle right there. Right there. Focus on it better. Anyways, you see that circle right there? That's right there. You have to put the flathead or something that fits inside there to disengage it. Well, first, also put your foot on the brake. Put your foot on the brake, and this one hand, you can't really see. Push that in. Push that in there, and now you can put your car into gear. And when you take that out, you can't really change your gears again. So that's how you would put your car into your B8 Audi A4 into neutral if your battery's dead. That's how you would put the car in neutral if the battery's dead. I think this works for many other versions of the Audi lineup of this generation. So if you guys found this helpful, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, see ya.